Hi, Lucas Zelezny here, and I was recording about how to find your first client for SEO, and something came to my mind that I always wanted to share with you guys. And it's simple: beware of consultancy spam and consultancy scam, which is even worse. So, all of you, or most of you, may be aware of this kind of trend that is for a couple of years that people who seems to have very little to no experience, they are advertising themselves as an experts that can teach you how to make your agency or your consultancy a seven-figure blah 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 blah. And what I hate the most is like this kind of guys who are like writing, calling all consultants, or stop doing your SEO until you won't read this. Fuck off. But like, why I'm talking about this? Because most of you know that this is scam, but some of you may think, where is the problem? The problem is that 99.9% of these guys are selling nothing but a courses or a workshop or a method to find more guys like you are. So they are putting net through the Facebook advertising, finding fishes like you are, and telling you that you will land in seven figures. You paying them incredible high money for some really crappy information that you can find online, and then at the end of the day, you have a very high chance to become one. Actually, you have a very low chance, but you have a big kind of feeling and expectation that you become like they are. And then now what is the service? Is the service we're talking here to start selling a methodology of selling the methodology? Because this is how it looks. They selling the methodology of selling the methodology of selling the methodology of selling the methodology, and so on and so on. You know how it's what it sounds like? Yes, it's a pyramid. It's a pyramid, except of it's a bit camouflaged a pyramid, because there is kind of a service, yeah. And none of this consultant would ever start, or very very minor number would start from, you know what, I've been working, I don't know, in the cinema industry for last 15 years. Today I'm doing consultancy for all new young directors who want to be successful, because I would like to share my knowledge of this 15 years in the film industry. Or I was working for last 10 years in the companies trying to optimize costs of transportation. If you are in this area and if you are looking for help, I'm here to help, because, and there is my LinkedIn, you can check this, there are some recommendations, you can check this. Most of these online marketing consultants that are there are going to sell you a course that will teach you how to sell a course, that will teach you how to sell a course, that will teach you how to sell a course. And I'm telling you this as a consultant, as an SEO consultant, just to make sure that you are going to find out how different what I'm doing is to comparing to these guys. First of all, my content is for free, and the second of all, I have 15 years of experience in an SEO area. I was starting way before 15, maybe it was like early stage of all the online marketing you may know today. That was still in Poland when I was living many years ago. Then I moved to London, and then I was in one company, in another company, in another company, in another company, and I was going through my path. So yeah, and I'm just telling this because, first of all, that's really annoying when I see all these crappy ads, especially on Facebook, like, and all this bollocks about like, oh, we will teach you how to do seven figures. Fuck off. And the second thing is that I want to make sure that you've been warned. So you've been warned. That was me, Lucas Zelezny, SEO.London, not a scammy consultancy you can visit today. Here. Bye.